a flower, bearing fragrance, sweet perfume, vow to be a cloud, bringing coolness to the summer's bloom, vow to be
For this English book study club, I learned how to be a better better leader, and um, we have made an online and an on-site version, and it's like a big family gathering together and to have a wonderful study club. Thank you.
This event, I'm very thankful and for the opportunity, and I think this event would be useful to future activities of YAD, and I would be willing to attend more events like this because I really learned a lot, and that I think I'll be using it in the near future.
I'm very thankful for attending this event. In this event, I have learned many new things about the book club, and I'm thankful for the temple and the host for giving me this opportunity to be engaged in this society. Thank you.